we want to be entertaining, and we want to be, we want to show people that we know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
And that can really get in the way of true expression. And letting everything go is really challenging. It's really hard to just surrender and go, I'm just going to be me and it's going to be enough. And if it's not, too fucking bad, you know? That's a really difficult thing to do. But until we can get to the super simple, the extreme simplicity of just being and breathing and speaking, we can't add anything on top until we get down there. So I am going to be taking all of the extra stuff off of you first, and then letting it come from within instead of from without. So instead of from the brain, instead of from what I think I should be doing, letting something bubble up from inside.
Okay.
Yeah. You'll love it. It's great.